Alright, so we're here at ACO Dragway. We're going to try and see what we can find for you guys. Some nice, interesting contents. Hopefully some good cars to race. And we'll go from there. Let's see what we get. Well, welcome back to the channel. We're here at ACO Dragway, preparing to make some test passes. I got a friend of mine here with a Whipple truck as well, super cab. So we'll have a little Whipple on Whipple action. Have some fun. Ooh, what's that back there? That is a Camaro. Well, you know how we feel about Chevys. But yeah, let's see what we do and get the day started right. I'm actually getting ready to run a buddy of mine. He has a 2018 Super Cab F-150 with the Whipple. He's a little heavier, and he's just running the Whipple tune, so nothing overly aggressive, but still a nice running truck. So we'll see how it runs. And I'm testing out a couple different launches, so we'll see. Actually didn't even see if I won or lost that. That's the funny part. Because I was trying a different launch, and I'm staring at everything else that I'm doing. I didn't even look to see what was going on with me and the other car. Well, let's take a look. Find out in a second. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, I did win. Launch didn't do too much for me. Oh, he's weighing in. Let's see how much he weighs.
54.35.
54.35? Alright. Okay. So, alright, so he weighed in at 5,400 pounds. Well, he ran pretty decent. 12.3 at $1.12. Alright, man. I'm promoting Whipples over here, so
I'm coming out.
you make.
I'm coming out.
You got 2 passes in.
The first thing I have to say is this entire truck is influenced and inspired by Dorian and his 5.0 F-150. And I was in the market for a new truck, and Dorian, I just came across his channel on YouTube, and I thought, you know what, that's the way I want to go. I came out of a Explorer with a Roush Supercharger, and it was a daily driver. It was a good daily driver, but the truck was getting old and tired. And when I saw that channel, I saw this truck, I said, this is the way we're going to go, and this is what we ended up with. So this is all Whipple. Thank Dorian, because he's selling your product. He's doing a great job.
And tell him who did that sweet install.
And everything installed here is done by Adobe Performance, Belleville, New Jersey. That's actually what really closed the deal for me. When I saw Jersey plates on Dorian's truck, and then in one of his videos, I think he's rolling out of the shop in the snowstorm, and I can see Rob's Performance, and I said, all right, let's Google Rob's Performance. And it's one county over from me. I said, all right, the guy who can build the truck is close by. I don't have to figure out where to go get it built and assembled and all that. And that's really what sealed the deal here.
All right. So how you feel after making a couple passes?
So it's the second time, it's the first time ever at the track. I've made my second pass ever. Truck is running really well for what it is. It's a factory, it's a Whipple tune. I ran 12.2 and 12.6 first run and second run, 112 and 111 miles an hour. So I'm happy. I'm glad to be in the 12s. That's what I wanted to do.
And how much did you weigh in at?
52, 5250, 5,000. We are tonight. We are 5,425 pounds.
Woo! Let me see one of those tickets. Let me see the ticket. Yeah, let's get a focus. There we go.
That's your second one.
All right, and
That's your first one. So here's our 2 runs tonight.
yeah, let's get a focus. There we go. All right. Whipple for the win.
Whipple for the win.
Getting ready to run a 2017 Mustang GT, completely stock. Good, felt like a nice, good, clean pass. Let's see how that translated. Thank you. Oh yeah, it's hot. 10.7, 130. All right, so we're here with the Demon Older. So tell us about this Demon. What all do we have on it?
Pretty basic, really. Just a standard 272 Hellraiser pulley, 1050 injectors, trans tune, motor tune, all by ID Motorsports on the tune, HP tuners, high horse performance on all the bolt-ons. Just some drag radials, and that's it. Full seats, full weight, and see what she does. Running first pass, ran at 10.5. It's a little humid out today, so I was a little jumpy off the line. We'll see what the next one does. Instagram is the Mr. MISTER _1226. Follow me there.
All right. We're gonna run her against the Undertaker. We're gonna see what we're ready. Time for some brakes. That's what it's time for.
No stick. No stick, man.
Blew the tires.
Yep. It didn't go off on me, so I'm happy. Yeah, she was going. You know what? I didn't really go heavy on the burnout, man. Plus, I don't know. That guy in front of me, there might have been all left from him.
He ran good. Yeah. He ran, I think, a 1030.
Probably.
All right, man. We're able to beat the Demon, but he blew the tires, so didn't get the race that we were hoping for, because he's been a little quicker, obviously. So unfortunately, he has to get ready to get out of here, so we're only getting the one run. Wish it could have been my normal, go for a best of 3, but just because of situations like this, you know, like I've killed the run before, forgetting to put it in 4-wheel. Other guys have killed the run, blowing the tires. So you try the best of 3, but unfortunately today is a one and done for that vehicle. Thank you. I ran a 10.7, 130. Nothing too major. But there you go. Getting ready to make another pass. Thank you. Okay. 1060. $133. 5,030 pounds today.
You're doing it right, man. I don't see